Coming soon, get ready to be amazed. On this one-of-a-kind 9.3-acre site, you will find a custom ranch estate that was built with love. Designed for ultimate comfort and enjoyment of the owners, with an open concept floor plan, wrap-around and covered porches enhance panoramic mountain views. Fabulous kitchen, solid surface counters, breakfast bar and maple cabinets. Fireplace, living room, separate den, and sprawling master. Next, wow! There is an attached handicap accessible in-law suite, west/ramps, fully self-contained with full kitchens, living room, second laundry room, full bath and 2 bedrooms. Owners are vacation renting it, rated super hosts. Get ready for the outbuildings, 3-car garage with 4 garage doors. Next outbuilding is for the horse lovers here and is the absolute best barn. 4 deluxe stalls with self-cleaning stall drain system and room for many more, 14 by 52 FD breezeway, tack rooms, inside wash rack. Plus there is a big party room 22 by 54 FD, third complete full kitchen, for large family gatherings. They've had lovely weddings and events there. The property offers unique business opportunities if you desire. The design of the barn was brilliant, offering sheds and storage for RVs, lawn equipment, farm animals or business. More, looking for a new lifestyle? Look no further. Escape the cities and traffic. Begin a new legacy here with $1 million view. Great location, only a couple of blocks for shops and 23 miles to the Chattanooga airport. World-class equestrian trails and parks are very nearby. The massive barn has been constructed of the highest quality woods. Upgrades to include insulated and heated party room, restroom, and full third kitchen adds 1,350 square feet of living area. Seller finished the room with stylish finishes, a functional wood stove for heating, and the walls are insulated. The large barn building room could be great a collector of cars too, with side sliding doors. Total square